I've got to do incredible things. I took a certificate training program specifically to participate in the uranium mining sector in northern Saskatchewan. And then that led to investments in my capacity, environments, and everything like that. So then got an engineering degree. I got an MBA working on a public policy. The public policy degree and program, large part to receive quite a bit of private funding from the nuclear and the uranium industry. So I worked for Cameco for 17 years. Incredible, profoundly impactful experience in terms of developing my capacity as an Indigenous Northern person. And you're right, the cascading socioeconomic impacts of that, the work I get to do in community, I get to do Indigenous resource thing. I've served on boards and things like that. I have the honor of serving as the very first Indigenous president of the Association of Professional Engineers, Geoscience of Saskatchewan. So regulating, 15, 16,000 professional geoscience and engineers. I got to do all sorts of incredible things that it's doubtful if I would have had that type of opportunity and those things kind of came together if I didn't have the deliberate incentive to work in an industry that recognized I need to participate more meaningfully and more equitably. I needed opportunity that was dedicated to people from my region. And so I like to say my story is an example of the socioeconomic impact we can have, not just the dollars and the salaries and things like that, but all those kinds. So what are going to be the health outcomes and the educational outcomes of my children? Because now I'm more affluent. Now I'm participating, from a more equitably, still very much Indigenous, still very much love my culture and my values, never compromise on that, but also being part of, society more equitably, and growing in that way.